It is the best. The winner!
Cheryl time! Of course! Hi guys! Ayan!
Take two Oo, madami kaming babalutin.
Hi guys! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So, sa video na ito guys ay samahan nyo kaming punta sa bridal shower. Kaya naman naghahanda na ako ng aming mga susuotin. Ito nga pala ang aking susuotin ngayon at syempre meron din para kay Nathan at ito naman para kay Clint. Ito nga pala guys ay nabili ko ito sa Amazon at ito naman para kay Clint ay nabili ko ito sa Target. Ayos din muna tayo guys kasi para pagdating doon ay hindi naman katakot-takot yung mukha natin. Ayan. Ayun guys, ngayon ay hindi na ako nagbalot para sa regalo namin kasi may gift registry sila. Ayan, kaya pag order namin ay diretso na sa bahay ng bride at saka groom. So ano nga ba yung napili namin na iregalo para sa groom at saka bride? So ang napili namin guys ay dalawa. Isang Cuisinart at isang malaking quackpot. Ayan. So, perfect siya pang regalo. Ayan.
Hi there, Nate.
Hi.
Hi, Clinton.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Nathan and I got haircuts.
Haircut. You like it?
Nathan and I got haircuts.
Mga bagong haircut.
This is probably considered unincorporated beacher.
I want to go to the backyard.
Later. Where's Nathan? So we are going there. So, ang daming nakapark dito guys. So, buti na lang may naparkingan pa kami dito. So, dito na kami guys. Namatay ng mga bahay dito. Hurry up. Clinton, excited yan maglaro. Kasi may bouncy sila, may bouncy. So, ayan guys, ito na yung bahay nila.
Aphrodite staring back at me. I give in to your love. I give in to your love. I give in to your love. I don't need no God of war to uncover my power. Just a little attention to feel electric. I give in to your love. I give in to your love. I give in to your love. We are born from the sea. We are born from the foam. We recline on the beach, drink that myrtle wine. We are born from the sea. We are born from the foam. We recline on the beach, drink that myrtle wine. I
Question. Where did Josh propose?
Downtown, right front.
Chika.
I saw someone going over the Facebook.
No, downtown Chicago.
Ah.
Downtown, no. It's supposed to be a specific. Planetarium.
No.
Downtown Chicago? Alright. Okay.
Michigan.
Michigan? Oh, she got a vote. Okay, that's so precise. Friends? How about the boyfriends? Engineer. How are we doing there? Okay. Where did they go? Oh, where did they go? May kakakat na ng pig. It should be a teamwork. Teamwork.
Oh my goodness, it's falling out. We're making a gown. Okay, out of it.
Hey!
And then all the bride face this way. The bride face this way. This way. Mermaid and princess. Okay, mermaid and path. Groupmates, stay with your bride, okay? And we have to build group.
Longer veil and longer trains.
Okay, that's bride number 1. Bride number 2. And can you describe the concept ng gummy beans?
Yes!
So essentially his long train and his assets.
Yes! Yes! Hey, ours already had some stuff in there.
We also have a bouquet and a ring.
Yeah!
We have his veil.
There you go.
We still did okay. We should, haven't we both gone over there? I'll show you where I went.
Hi, Aunt.
Follow me.
I think it's close, but not. But I think it does come quite close. I think this one is so sweet. I love this one. I don't think the veil is quite good. But the dress is beautiful. And I think this one is the most challenge. I think this one is the most. It fits the best. This one is the winner.
Congratulations!
Okay.
Yay! Congratulations!
First picture with Ate Micah with your wedding
Lauren,
dress.
the slit. Highlight the slit.
Next will be a picture with Fern. Ang bilis ko naman natin mo bang kanina mga outfit yung Fern with Ate Micah.
Say hi! Diri na car.
Siya nga pala ang mami ng bride.
Ayan, ayan. Just half lang. Oh, half lang. Oh. Say hi kayo dyan.
I bet you, Danny.
Halina po. Ayan ang mga ninang ni Glenn, tapos ninang ni Nathan. Ayan.
Gandang binibini.
Roma, you look so different with
Sharon kami, guys. Alam, may mali Tapos, ayan, mag-Sharon.
What is that?
Sharon time. Hala, kani unta car, oh. Car, oh. Ano, ito na siya. Siguro yung Sharon natin.
Lami ka ang buko.
Yan, oh.
Wala, lami na siya paksihan ba?
Oh, ayan guys. So, mag-Sharon kami.
Oh my God!
Sharon time of Of course. Wala, ayusin mo muna dito. Mag-hi ka muna. Hi guys! Ayan.
Take two, ha? Oh, madami kaming babalutin, eh. Daming pagkain.
Si hi ka muna isang beses.
Hi, Itara.
Hi! Ah?
Sige, at kita.
Oh, ayan na. Magsasharo na kami, guys.
Okay na, bye na.
Oh. Hayaan mo na siya dyan.
4 hours ata.
Hala, frozen pa yung ano, oh.
Frozen pa siya.
Yes.
Perfect.
Ayan, guys, oh. Frozen pa siya. Hala, okay lang ako nito.
I can't get power.
Ha? Nag-sharon kami. May sharon na kami, guys. Hi, Car.
Sometimes I read or watch your video.
Oh, thank you so
All the
much.
time, yes.
I don't.
The last time you had was...
She's not playing, so unfortunately,
You were,
no. Okay.
The last time that you had video, what was it that you had the last time?
Well, you found it.
She has videos every day. Video?
Yeah, I saw one.
Short things.
Shona and
Gloria. But you can call me Gay. Gay is my nickname.
From where?
I'm from Nueva Ecija.
Shout out.
Shout out to my family, Bitangkol family. Mo ako naniwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaan matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Ay, nagbabalot na balutin mo ako.
Nahuli ang mga nagsasharon, oh. Ang daming nagsasharon dito, guys, oh. Pati bata, oh, nagsasharon, oh. Si hi, Ot. Tapos na kami mag-sharon. Yun. Ay, si Ate Christine. Oh, okay naman, diri, oh. Madilim na, oh. Wala, pwede naman dahil kung magtuyok-tuyok diri, oh. Wala, maliwanag dito, Car, oh. Really, bigay picture natin kami. Mag-say hi kayo dyan.
Ladies man.
Yeah. Maliwanag siya, oh.
Do you agree?
So, ayan guys, inabot kami ng gabi.
Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Ate Kristen, is this phone? Is that phone? It's totally just like a scratch. Yeah, it's from.
I want to get one para
Very comfortable.
para tataas ako. I want to order one.
Ano to, mas kuya? Inabot na kami ng gabi, oh. Ang kuya namin, oh. Oh, ayan.
Did you ask?
Let's have light.
No, in Tita Yana's garage.
Pinapaantok nyo naman eh.
Kuya Lito! Ang sipag ni Kuya Lito, oh. Alin, naghahanap pa ba kayo ganyan?
Ano yung
Me and Nathan are going over there to see Grandma Judy's license.
Okay. No running though.
Bakit may bukol yan?
Ito, ano?
And then the next thing is
Cute nilang dalawa.
For me, Micah. Micah. And the black, I gave it to you and the black one.
Nga guys, nagpapaalam na kami. Ayan, time check, it's almost 10 p.m. Ayan, so yung hubby ko naman ay nauna na siya sa sasakyan.